Understanding emotions. Emotions are a big part of being human. They help us understand ourselves and others. Emotions can be good or bad. They can change how we feel and act. This essay will explore different types of emotions, their effects, and the importance of understanding and managing them in our lives. Emotions are feelings that come from our thoughts and experiences. They can be strong or weak. Some emotions are easy to recognize, while others can be harder to understand. For example, happiness is a strong emotion. It makes us smile and laugh. Sadness, on the other hand, can make us cry and feel heavy. Emotions can also be complex. Sometimes we may feel more than one emotion at a time. For instance, we might feel happy and sad during a farewell party. There are many types of emotions. Some common ones include happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and surprise. Each emotion plays a unique role in our lives. Understanding these emotions can help us navigate the world better. Happiness is a positive emotion. It makes us feel good. We feel happy when we achieve something or spend time with loved ones. Happiness can come from simple things, like enjoying a sunny day or eating our favorite food. It can also arise from special moments, such as celebrating a birthday or getting a promotion. Happiness is often contagious. When we are happy, we can spread that joy to others. Sadness is a negative emotion. It can come from loss or disappointment. Feeling sad is a normal part of life. Everyone experiences sadness at some point. It can be triggered by events like losing a loved one, failing an exam, or ending a relationship. While sadness is difficult, it is also important. It helps us process our experiences and gives us time to heal. Understanding sadness can lead to personal growth. It can remind us of the good times we had and motivate us to cherish the moments we have now. Anger is another emotion that can arise from frustration or unfairness. It can lead to strong reactions and may cause us to act impulsively. Sometimes, anger can be helpful. It can motivate us to change things that we feel are wrong. For example, when we see injustice, anger can inspire us to take action. However, uncontrolled anger can be harmful. It can damage relationships and lead to regrettable actions. Learning to manage anger is crucial for healthy living. Techniques such as deep breathing, talking it out, or taking a walk can help us process anger in a constructive way. Fear is a protective emotion. It helps us avoid danger and stay safe. For example, we might feel fear when we see a snake or hear a loud noise. This feeling is natural and has evolved to keep us alive. Fear can help us make decisions that protect us. However, not all fears are rational. Some fears, like fear of public speaking or fear of heights, may hold us back from enjoying life. Recognizing and addressing these fears can help us live more freely. Gradual exposure and positive reinforcement can be effective ways to overcome irrational fears. Surprise is an emotion that can be positive or negative. It happens when something unexpected occurs. A surprise party can bring joy, while an unexpected loss can bring sadness. Surprise can lead to excitement or confusion. It keeps life interesting. Our ability to be surprised often reflects our expectations and experiences. Embracing surprises can lead to a more fulfilling life, as they often introduce us to new opportunities and experiences. Emotions help us communicate. They show how we feel about situations. For example, a smile can show happiness, while a frown can indicate sadness. Emotions also help us connect with others. When we share our feelings, we create bonds. Emotional expressions, like laughter or tears, can foster empathy and understanding. When someone sees our smile or hears our laughter, they may feel inclined to join in on our joy. Similarly, sharing sadness can deepen our connections as it invites support and compassion from others. Emotions are also a way to react to the world. They help us make decisions. If we feel fear, we might avoid a dangerous situation. If we feel joy, we may want to share it with others. Our emotions often guide our choices and shape our experiences. For instance, a person who feels excitement about a new job opportunity may take the leap to apply, while someone feeling fear about the unknown may hesitate. Understanding our emotions is important. It helps us navigate our lives better. Recognizing how we feel can lead to better decision-making. When we are aware of our emotions, we can respond to situations more thoughtfully. For example, if we notice that we are feeling angry, we can choose to take a step back before reacting. This can prevent misunderstandings and hurt feelings. Sometimes people struggle with their emotions. They may feel overwhelmed or confused. It's okay to ask for help when this happens. Talking to friends, family, or a counselor can provide support. It can also be helpful to express emotions through art, writing, or physical activity. These outlets can help us understand and process our feelings. For example, writing in a journal can clarify our emotions, while painting can express what we cannot put into words. Physical activities like running or dancing can also release built-up emotions and promote well-being. In today's fast-paced world, many people experience heightened emotions, including stress and anxiety. These emotions can arise from work pressure, personal relationships, or external factors like social media. Recognizing and addressing these feelings is crucial for mental health. Mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga can help us stay grounded. They teach us to observe our emotions without judgment, allowing us to respond more calmly to challenging situations. Another important aspect of emotions is emotional intelligence. This is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions and the emotions of others. People with high emotional intelligence can navigate social situations more effectively. They can empathize with others and communicate their feelings clearly. Developing emotional intelligence can lead to better relationships and improved mental health. In conclusion, emotions are a vital part of being human. They help us express ourselves and connect with others. Understanding our emotions can improve our well-being and lead to healthier relationships. Emotions, both good and bad, shape our experiences and guide our actions. Embracing our feelings is essential for personal growth. By learning to understand and manage our emotions, we can lead more fulfilling lives. Recognizing the complexity of our emotions and the emotions of others fosters compassion and empathy. As we navigate our emotional landscapes, we should remember that each feeling serves a purpose. Emotions are not just reactions, they are vital signals that guide us toward a deeper understanding of ourselves and our connections with the world around us.